Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this sweet little shadow box is exactly what I was looking for to hold the anniversary card my husband got for me so I can always look at it when I'm sitting at my desk. Let me give you a closer look of how I used this shadow box to preserve my anniversary card. So you just have to simply remove the back. They have those little press down tabs, and there is a protective sheet on both the inside and the outside, so you know that there will be no scratches on it when you receive it. It's quite thick. It's over an inch wide on the inside, so if you have something thick or substantial that you want to display, you know it's not going to get crushed inside because it has that gap of space. And I just love the fact that they also included some stickers, so you can write a message if you wanted to in these little gold letters. That's really nice, a nice touch. It's such a beautiful little frame, and it holds my memory right where I want it, exactly how I wanted it. I love the fact that they give you two options, so you can hang the shadow box or you can display it sitting on a surface. So I like that because options are important to me in case I want to move the piece somewhere else. Right now I have it hanging at my desk, but that might change. So I like the fact that they give you both options. It's also wide enough so that it displays the card beautifully because it has a lot of detail on it. I didn't want it to be squished. It's just perfect, just the right size, and I know I'm going to get a lot of enjoyment looking at this and remembering, and it's just so perfectly displayed. It looks like it was made for this card. I'm just really pleased with it, and that is my point of view.